What we're going to do is we're going to learn the notes F on all strings, and we're using the CAGED method. The CAGED method is where we take a C chord, and this is a continuation. We did the key of C. Now we're going to do F, so we take a C chord and we have octaves within that chord. Same thing, we play A chord. So where we get the CAGED from, we have octaves within that. And then we have the G chord, and we have an octaves in that. And we have an E chord, and we have 3 octaves in that. And then we also have D chord, and we have 2 octaves in that. So we're looking at F today, and you know, I got one comment that we don't have to know theory, but it's really just understanding what the shapes look like on the fretboard and know where they are. You don't have to know the theory, just know that what I'm about to show you is all F's, and you just have to memorize where they are. So let's take a look at F is, okay? So, and we call, the C chord would have been called pattern 1, is called pattern 1, the A chord is called pattern 2, G chord is called pattern 3, E chord is called pattern 4, and the D chord is pattern 5. So let's take a look at F. So F, we have 1st fret on the big thick string, 3rd fret on the D string, and then 1st fret on the high 1st string. So we have 1st fret, 3rd fret, 1st fret again. And that's pattern 4 actually, okay? It'll be based on an F bar chord shape. Then we have pattern 5. So a lot of times we're going to be repeating the notes, but we want to see what they look like on the fretboard. So here we have the 3rd fret on the 4th string, and then these are all F's again. This is the 6th fret on the 2nd string. So that's, you want to memorize that shape. Okay. The next shape we're going to look at is the F shape. The the C shape, or pattern 1, is your 3rd finger will go on the 8th fret on the A string, and then your then we go to the 6th fret on the B string. So and that's the pattern 1 shape. Okay, so we have the pattern 4, then we have pattern 5. Pattern 1 is this. Let's take a look at pattern 2. Pattern 2 is the 6th fret on the A string or the 5th string, and then we have this one only has 2, the 8th fret, 10th fret, 10th fret on the G string. Okay, so that's pattern 2. Again, this is what it looks like. I'm playing this string, and I'm playing this string. Now pattern 3 is going to have 3, so we're going to play, this will be the 13th fret on the big thick E string, and then we have the 8th fret on the 10th fret on the G string. A bit out of tune there. 13th fret on the high E string, so that's pattern 3. Let's go over it again. Pattern 4. So we start with for the F. And pattern 5. Pattern 1. Pattern 2. Pattern 3. Okay, so this is all the F's in pattern 4. Wouldn't hurt to actually write these out in tab or as a grid. Pattern 5, 4th string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 6th fret, pattern 1, 8th fret on the A string or the 5th string, 6th fret on the 2nd string, pattern 2. Again, we're at the 8th fret on the 5th string and the 10th fret on the 3rd string, and then pattern 3. 13th fret on the E string, 10th fret on the G string, 13th fret. Okay? So what you want to do is memorize those. Hope that helps. Remember, do it really slow. If If you can write it out in a grid or something that works for you, that'd be a good thing. It's wise and memorized, and that's every F, and then after that, the 12th fret just kind of repeats. Think of it as a conveyor belt and just kind of comes back up. So all those are all there as well. They just repeat after that. Anyways, I hope that helps. See you next time. Bye-bye.